What's up, guys? Today we are going to show you my new dog. Yeah. What's up, boy? My name's Chase. You gonna tell him about yourself?
Sure. My name's Chase, YouTube, and I would really like if you could give me some, I would really like if you gave my owner some, good and, really nice views and subscribers and likes, and keep watching my videos, and keep watching your videos. He's a very nice person. This is my butt, and I like to eat snow and chicken. Bye.